1, 2, 3. Can you count with Mommy? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Do you want to do it again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It really sounded like she was saying some of that.
Madeline, can you say hi to everybody? Can you say hi?
Hi.
You say I love you.
Yeah.
Oh, say bye-bye.